Photobombing Mac and Ryan shoot.
Beep, 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 beep.
This is how I hitchhike.
Woo!
Man, I love Easter candy. This is Twitter in real life. This is extreme gift wrapping. This is how I edit my Instagrams. There we go. No. Printing your pets. Just setting up my Christmas tree. Fire! Oh. Merry Christmas. Oh, that's a sweet looking sky today. That's a tasty cloud. Cannonballing. Woo! Sometimes life isn't always how it seems. Wait a minute. Huh? What?
Zach, you're cute, but you will be cuter with curly hair. Bam!
Wow. Right. How I get to the Ellen Show. Copying and pasting money. Invisibility. Lifeguarding.
No running at the pool!
Oh, it's John. Grabbing a souvenir from France. Oh, merci beaucoup. Oh, this is our stop, dude. Oh, I'm late to dinner. Ah! Time to face my greatest fear. The ice bucket challenge. You ready? Oh.